Welcome to Math Globe, Karnataka Board. Introduction to Trigonometry, Exercise 11.1, Question 9. Question 9. Introduction to Trigonometry. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. So, here solution, we have a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at G. If tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, the given trigonometric ratio here is tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. We know tan is nothing but opposite by adjacent. Opposite side by adjacent side is tan. So with respect to angle A, opposite side is BC by, with respect to angle A, adjacent side here is AB. So BC here is 1 and AB is root 3. AC is unknown here, hypotenuse, the bigger side is question mark. Find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Before finding out the trigonometric ratios, first we have to find the sides of all the sides of the given triangle. That is, we have to find the side AC. So since it is a right angle triangle, we are using Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square according to Pythagoras theorem. So here AC is equal to root of AB square plus BC square. Substituting the values of AB and BC, we get AC is equal to root of AB here is root 3 the whole square plus BC here is 1 square. So AC is equal to root of square root and root will get cancelled, remain with 3 plus 1 into 1 gives you 1. 1 square is nothing but 1. So AC value here is root of 4. That is nothing but AC is equal to 2 centimeter. So the question mark, AC is 2 centimeter. After finding the sides of the triangle, let us find the trigonometric ratios sin A, cos and sin A. So here we know that sin A, what is sine? Sine is opposite by hypotenuse. So sine is with respect to angle A, I can write sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite to angle A is BC and opposite to angle A, opposite side to angle A is BC and hypotenuse here is AC. So sin A is equal to 1 by AC is 2 centimeter, 2. AC here is 2. So 1 by 2. Similarly, cos C is adjacent by hypotenuse, which is nothing but with respect to angle C. Now we have to see with respect to angle C. The adjacent side here is BC, opposite is AB and hypotenuse here is AC. So adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent side here is BC by hypotenuse here is AC. So cos C value can be written as BC is 1, AC is 2. So we have cos C as 1 by 2 and sin A as 1 by 2. Next, cos A. Again we know cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. With respect to angle A, cos is AB by AC. that is adjacent side AB by AC. So cos A is nothing but AB is root 3, AC is 2. Similarly, sin C. Sin is opposite by hypotenuse. With respect to angle C, opposite side is AB, and hypotenuse is here AC. So sin C can be written as AB, value of AB is root 3 and AC is 2. Now substituting the value in sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, we get sin A is, what did we get? Sin A is 1 by 2 into cos C, we have got 1 by 2 plus cos A is root 3 by 2 and into sin C is root 3 by 2. Simplifying further, we get 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4 plus root 3 into root 3 is root 3 the whole square, that is 3, and 2 into 2 is 4. Taking the LCM, 4 is the LCM, 1 plus 3. So we get 4 by 4 is nothing but 1 is the answer. 1 is the answer for sin A cos A, sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C gives you value 1. Thank you, children. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.